Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the best VPN for Chrome browser. Use this if you have Chrome. Guys, if you're tired of being tracked online or locked out of your favorite streaming sites, sticking with me will change that. We'll dive into why CyberGhost VPN is the top choice for Chrome users in 2025, with NordVPN as a strong alternative. Link to try NordVPN at a great price is in the description. Let's empower your browsing right now. Imagine firing up Chrome and feeling completely secure. No more worries about data leaks or slow speeds dragging you down. That's the reality with CyberGhost VPN, one of the best VPN extension for Chrome this year. Available right in the Chrome Web Store, it installs in under 2 minutes, even on a Mac or PC, and instantly shields your traffic. With over 9,000 servers in more than 90 countries, CyberGhost ensures you can access geo-restricted content like Netflix US or BBC iPlayer without a hitch. What sets it apart? Its dedicated streaming servers are optimized for HD playback, retaining up to 80% of your original download speed, so you can binge watch without buffering interruptions. CyberGhost's AES 256 encryption is military grade, and its no logs policy has been independently audited, meaning your browsing history stays private, no ifs or buts. Based in Romania, outside the 14 Eyes Alliance, it adds an extra layer of privacy protection that's crucial in today's digital world. For Chrome-specific perks, the extension includes no-spy servers that CyberGhost manages entirely in-house, providing enhanced security for sensitive tasks like online banking or research. Plus, its free proxy version lets you test the waters with 4 server locations before upgrading, making it accessible for beginners who want to dip their toes in VPN waters. As a fantastic alternative, NordVPN brings its A-game to Chrome with a lightweight extension that's a true VPN proxy, not just a basic one. Boasting over 8,000 servers across 126 countries, NordVPN clocked an impressive 3% average speed loss in 2025 tests, making it the fastest option for seamless 4K streaming or gaming right in your browser. Its threat protection feature actively blocks ads, trackers, and malware, while the kill switch ensures your IP never slips if the connection falters. NordVPN's no logs policy is also verified, and its special servers for multi-hop connections add advanced privacy layers. Though a bit pricier, NordVPN's reliability shines for power users who demand top-tier performance in Chrome. Guys, whether you're streaming, shopping, or just browsing safely, CyberGhost's user-friendly design and streaming focus make it the ultimate Chrome companion. But NordVPN's speed and extras are worth considering if you need that extra edge. Link is in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.